start checking in our D-main 12 scale stock. Boyer, Olvera, Todd, Tilson, Fish, Smith, Samuel, Gorka, Janke, Kelso, and Jorn. Guys, go ahead, give me a roll around. We'll get you all checked in. And we'll get you going. Brad has check. Justin check. Darcy check. Brandon check. Mike check. Dan check. Jeff check. Looking for Boyer, Janke, and Jorn. Boyer, Janke, and Jorn. Victor Boyer. Ball, I got no check on it. Did transponder? Switch it out, please. So I'm looking for Tom and Andrew to check also. Tom, I got to check on you. Our number 10 qualifier. Coming out of the CD, Andrew Jorn. Actually, make that easy. Number 9 on the grid, Mike Kinsel.
That car was over straight. I can't believe how fast.
Number 8 qualifier, Tom Jenkins.
After that, they had like 2 spots. Or mini spots.
Number 7 qualifier, Randy Gorka. 6th place on the grid, Jeff Samuel. Our number 5 qualifier went under by Brad Smith. In the 4th position, Justin Fish, black and silver. Our number 3 qualifier, Darcy Tilson, blue, yellow, and 1. Number 2 on the grid, Dan Alvarez, white to blue. And our DQ, the all-orange machine, Paul Boyer. And guys, it's a very cozy grid out there, very tight grid. When you get to work together all the way around for lap number 1, make sure you keep it in line. Don't go through the car in front of you. To know it, make sure you're side by side. You give each other fair room to race. Center marshals, you guys want to stand on the back wall to the start? You guys okay with that? So we got marshals on our corners, guys. Drivers ready, marshals ready. It's going to be on the toe, drivers on the toe. Austin 5. Darcy turns around early. On the back corner, Boyer is Olvera in the lead. Down the straightaway, they are nose and tail. Dan's got some speed though. He looks like taps a little bit. Here comes Fish. Brad right in that groove. So out front, tight now. These guys looking to make it into the season if they can make it through this race. Olvera's on the back door of Boyer. At the front, very tight as they work around Fish and Smith right there. Dan looking. He's got a good car. Looks like, oh, Andrew parks into the straightaway. He's going to get Marshall off. He'll be free as the lead back on the run. Dan on the inside of Boyer. He makes the pass, takes the top spot. Boyer falls back to 2, falls right in line, trying to keep it run down Dan. Dan out the front. Oh, Dan taps. Dan Boyer to the wall. Dan will hold the spot. Here comes Fish. Justin trying to make his way to the front. Boyer right there. 5, 10, 6, 10 to Fish, 9, 10 to Smith. Samuel, Gorka, Tilson, Kelso, J.M. and Jorn. 7 minutes to go in this race. A lot of time. Andrew Cassidy's upside down. Fish will sneak by. At the lead, Dan stretching just a little bit as he works his way through traffic. He'll get underneath Tom. Now Paul will work on how he gets into the straightaway. He'll bring it back up. Fish will be there looking. Andrew trying to get back on that. Oh, our number 2 car puts him in the wall. They'll put him back a spot. 2 spots, and Smith will make it by. So now Boyer working on Smith, trying to make his way back by Smith. Dan looking to check out. Justin 3.3 back in second. It's Olvera, Fish, Smith, Boyer, Samuel, Gorka, Tilson, Kelso, J.M. and Jordan on the racetrack. Current leader, Dan Alvarez. See if we can pick him out. He is white and blue, working down the back stretch in the middle of traffic. He'll come by scoring. He'll tap down the straightaway. They're going to turn around. And here comes Fish to make the pass. Did he make it? No, it looks like Jeff. Brad goes to the 2 spot. Justin 3, Jeff, Darcy, Randy. Boyer back in the 9 spot. So trouble for midsection racer. Dan putting on the wall. Gets a big break out of that one. He's got a 5.9 second gap to Brad. 8 tenths to Justin. 4 tenths to Samuel. Tight to this whole pack. And the straightaway, Boyer to the wall on the tap. He'll get flipped back over and he'll come back out. Dave, Brad, Justin, Jeff, Randy, Darcy, Mike, Paul, Tom, and Andrew. 5:35 to go, drivers. 5:35 to go. Dan at the point. He'll be by scoring. White line to blue. His car runner leading his fast lap down 11.268 as he's out front. Smith at 11.5 fast lap in second. 7.1 back. Justin 1.4 off that. 4/10 to Samuel. Gorka 1.2. 7/10 to Tulsa. Kelso 3.3, 4.2 to J.D. 1/10 to Andrew. Boyer 3.4 off of that. So Dan out front, but Justin and Brad become the race. Justin black and silver, Brad white, orange, and black. They are separated by 5/10. Samuel down into the all-green machine. 5/10 off that, so 2, 3, and 4. Very close, 1.9 to Gorka. Trouble midsection, that'll be top on the wall. Marshals are getting there. They get hit cleared out. Dan out front by 8 seconds now as he makes his way around Randy, our number 6 car. Dan taps a little bit though, he'll bring it back inside. He's got a good machine. 4:30 to go, 4:30 to go. Dan, Brad, Justin and Brad, 8/10, 1.6 to Samuel. Fall back a little bit on that. Then we've got Darcy, 5/10, 1.2 to Gorka, 3 seconds to Kelso, 3 seconds to Jordan, 3 seconds to Boyer, 4 seconds to Janiak. Oh, and then the straightaway, Samuel gets a little punt. He'll pull it back in and drive inside. Backstretch, Smith and Fish, still that battle. Dan has checked out with a 7.7 second lead. Halfway there, drivers, halfway there. Dan out front. Brad, Justin, Darcy, Jeff, Randy, Mike, Andrew, Paul, and Tom. 4/10 now, Justin and Brad. So that is going to become a very tight battle as they're trying to make their way back through that field. Dan and Brad, Paul turns around and gets himself off the wall. Dan working traffic. Brad comes across, he is free on that. He'll go down the backstretch. 3:27 to go, drivers. 3:27 to go. Olvera out front. Smith, Fish, Samuel, Tilson, Gorka, Jordan, Kelso, Boyer, Jane. Trouble, we got a lot of maybe dead in the infield. It kind of shut itself off. Yeah, it's definitely on. Oh, there it goes. Just messing with you, Jeff. Olvera is up front. 9.3 to Smith now. 1.6 to Fish. So that becomes Gorka and Samuel. They're side by side through the sweeper. 8,000 at the line with Gorka having it. Looks like Samuel in front of him. So Randy looking to come back on that as he's on the back doors. Jeff on the straightaway. Randy right there. That's about the 4 spot. They'll come by scoring there coming to some traffic. Jeff takes the pass. He's trying to pull away. He's got 3/10 on the field. Brad back 8 seconds on the lead. He's got the point right now in this race. Dan out front, looking to bump into the sea. Dan, Brad, Justin, Jeff, Randy, Andrew, Mike, Paul, Darcy, Tom. 2:26 starters, 2:26 to go. Oh, on the back of the shoulder, Samuel, he'll bounce in the court, he'll take the slap back, and he comes to the 4 spot. And the straightaway Jeff pass. That'll get a lot of Brad now working all over Andrew, trying to get in back there. Andrew with 3.3 back on Samuel. So Samuel's will have a ring Andrew with that pass. Randy by, he's in that 4 spot. 5.1 back on Justin. Brad coming by. He's our number 2 guy. 9.7 back on the leader. So Dan's starting to get the point to go look at lapping the entire field. 1:56 to go. Oh, trouble from Jeff. He's going to try to get out the wall. Jeff needs help in the middle. That's going to be a position he'll give up. Around from the traffic. Andrews by Jeff down 3. Jeff pulling the car. Jeff is done. So he'll go back. Andrew will move on the spot. 1:33 to go, drivers. 1:33 to go. Olvera is out front. Almost a lap on the entire field. He's on the back door of second place. He gets by him on that lap. The entire field with 1:17 to go. Brad in second. A very good run right now in a trophy position as he works his way by scoring. Justin 8/10 back on Brad. That'll be a battle coming up behind. Dan Gorka owns 8 seconds back. Andrew 7/10 off the Gorka. We're going to have on Andrew and Randy. Trouble in action. That's Fish. He'll put it over. He gets in the 3 spot. That'll actually put him back into contention for him. Randy, the catcher with Randy 2 seconds back. Andrew 9/10. So 45 to go. Dan, Brad, Justin, Randy, Andrew, Paul, Mike, Darcy, Tom, and Jeff. The battle, the tight battle. Andrew and Randy, 9/10. That is the American-Canadian flag car. And the black and green bump car. Randy a little trouble as he works around Tom. Tapping the walls. Will be enough for Andrew to close the door. Justin by scoring. 24 to go. Dan looks like he's got this one in the bag, and he'll be taking this trip into the sea. Brad pretty comfortable in his second spot. Justin, Randy, Andrew all up for grabs right now as Justin working heavy traffic. Randy by scoring. Trouble for Andrew, though. He'll go back a little bit. 8 on the clock, drivers. 8 on the clock. Boyer, though, trying to get through traffic. A little bumper on this is it, drivers. Here we bring in Randy. You're talking with the 4th place finish. Alvarez, you're going into the sea. Andrew's